Welcome to Codezlux. Today we will discuss keyframes in HTML. And also we will do some remaining topics like insert an image and text in the marquee. So let's jump into the topic. Open the code and write your basic syntax. Then after that write a heading to specify our today lecture. Then write a heading like Welcome to Codezlux. And then we will add some little CSS here. So come to the head section. And the type of style tag. In that tag, write H1 and then start a curly bracket. We will add style to the H1 tag. So write animation and give it the values, like the name of the animation. You can give the name by your own choice. Then time delay for animation. Then limit like infinite. Having no limit. Then the direction like linear, radial, etc. Then after the body of the H1 style tag, we will start our animation like at keyframes and then write that name of the animation, like my animate. Then after that start the body with curly brackets. And then give the value. For example, at 0% the color will be red. At 10% color will be orange. To copy it as, go to last of the statement and press Ctrl plus Shift plus D. You will get the result. Let's first change the percentages. Now change the colors accordingly. Blue, green, yellow, purple, indigo, black. Give a hex code like F4511 East, sky blue, pink. When it completes, save the file and reload the browser. You will get this type of animation. If you want to change the delay time, you can change it. Now to add the picture, we will simply write an img tag. And in that tag write the source or path of the picture. Like in my case it is 1.jpg. Then also give the attributes of the img tag like width and height. Then we will start a marquee tag. And in those tags, we will write some announcements. The marquee tag is used to move the text along on the page. It has also some attributes, like the scroll amount, to manage the speed of the scrolling. Then another attribute like direction, used to locate where direction the text will go. Then after that we will use another attribute like on mouse over, which is used when we hover the mouse on the text. The text will be stopped. And on mouse out is used when we out the mouse from the text will continue its movement. So that all about today's lecture. This was the last lecture of HTML. From the next lecture we will start our CSS section. So stay tuned for that. Thanks.